Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to upload your videos on YouTube. First you go to youtube.com. Remember that you have to be on your account, on your Google account. Then you click here on create video in this camera and you click on upload video. Remember that you can upload this video from your PC or from your cell phone. Both can work in this place. There you will select the file. You will go to look for the file and you click and you open the file. Here it is necessary that you write the passive voice recipe and you write your name, okay? Pepito Perez Nancy. That's all. Then we have to wait until the video is processed to click in next. And here you will have to say that some of you are still low in age, then you will have to click on yes, this is content created for kids, and then you will go to next and there next again. Here in visibility, I need you to please list it as non-listed here. Why? Because here it is showing that only people with the link can go to the video, okay? Only people with the link can go to this video. Then you will go and you click on save. Now you can see the video has been published only in your Google account, and then you will please copy this link. This is the link, and you will go to your class. Here you will go to your class, you see, and then you click Control V and you click and you paste the link and comment in the class. Okay, here this is the way in which you are going to send me your homework.